God, this is so refreshing. I can't even remember the last time I've been like outdoors like this, like near the waters, green scenery. Like, can you guys see how much green we have here? God, it's so refreshing. Oh my God, I just want to soak all of this in. Let me show you guys more. So I'm currently at the Unilag Lagoon front. Yep, and today is a Saturday. Honestly, I didn't even come here to chill. Actually came here to, I have an appointment with someone, so that's why I'm here. But then I can as well enjoy the scenery. Yeah.
Sing for the Lord is my. So now that you're familiar with the song, how many it together now? Come on! Come here! Mighty warrior, great in battle, you have come. My defender, no contender, you are worthy one. And I will lift up my eyes to the hills where my help comes from. Yeah. For the Lord is my shield and my fortress, I fear no one.
morning. So it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Your girl is going through it. Seriously. Your girl is going through it. Nobody told me about backaches. Nobody warned me seriously about backaches. Like, it's that time of the month and my back aches. My back aches so much. Like, throughout yesterday, I was having serious backache. Serious backache, and I was like, what's going on? So I just like, I had to check my app, like the app I use to track my cycle. I just had to like check my app to know what's going on. And the period is supposed to come in like 2 days, but it was a day earlier. Yeah, it came in a day earlier. So I think that sums up for the backache. So yeah, so I'm just here lying down. I've actually been up. I've been up much more earlier. I've been up because I had to do some other things early in the morning. Yeah. Sorry. I don't know. I don't know if this camera is too close to my eyes because I can see my head in this. Because I'm using my front camera, my head is so big. Oh my god, my head is so big in this. I'm looking at the screen, so I hope this is good. I'm just trying out new angles. And I'm trying not to show too much. As you can see, hopefully this walls get painted this December because how's this dirty wall? Yeah. So I've been laying down for a couple of minutes. Let's say an hour thereabouts. 'Cause I've been watching some vlogs on YouTube. For you guys, I'm not serious with my life. I'm actually a serious person. I just needed to catch up on, and I needed a break. I needed to catch up on some of my faves on YouTube because I'm actually a YouTube girl. Yeah, I see more of YouTube than I actually see like movies. I'm so serious. Maybe because YouTube, I actually like. Oh God, please just ignore the noise in my background. So maybe because YouTube, I can actually control like how much I watch. At times, I actually like I indulge myself like see multiple videos at once. That's when I'm not like doing actively busy or something. But YouTube, I can actually like, hey, please, oh, what's with this dog that is shouting? You guys will not believe this dog that is making noise. Like it's like one big building across my building here, and they have so many dogs in that building, always disturbing. Like even howling in the middle of the night. I will like, God, I beg go. Do you have like a wolf around or what? Yeah, it's so annoying. Honestly, it's so annoying. So as I was saying, yeah. So I can actually like control how much I watch or see YouTube videos or like movies, Netflix and the likes. Actually, like I tend to get addicted to movies because once I see one episode, I want to like know what's happening next. I want to know what's happening next. Like once I see one, I see the second one, I see the third one. Like I tend to like get addicted to movies. So what I do is when I see maybe two episodes at once and I'm like doing something else, I'm thinking, oh my god, I can't wait to see what's going to happen next. And I can like indulge myself so much that I end up like seeing movies and not doing other things. So movies, I just these days I kind of use them like reward myself. I use them to like distress because when I'm actually seeing a movie, like it feels like I'm actually inside the movie. Like once I'm seeing a movie, like I've shut out from whatever is happening in this world. So I'm feeling like concentrated in the movie. I don't know if that's a bad thing, but I actually love it for me because it helps me to like distress and all of that. So yeah, enough of me talking. So what am I doing today? What am I doing today? I am sewing. Yesterday I didn't vlog at all because yesterday, what happened yesterday? Nothing much. I was like cutting. You guys, I tested myself and it worked. I actually cut like three clothes yesterday. Can you guys believe that? Actually, I do more than that when I actively like get clothes from clients. But like it's been a while. I've actually like been that much productive with like my business, like, and I'm actually making clothes for myself now because I've been like procrastinating making clothes for myself, which is I don't know. I've actually been like procrastinating making clothes for myself. But yesterday I was able to. So now I have like total of five clothes. No, is it five? No, I have total of four clothes that I've cut down now. So I need to sew. I still have more. I still have like seven more fabrics I have to cut for myself. Serious. So what I want to do is I'm trying. I don't know if I can do this, but I'll keep you guys updated. If I can sew everything today before, because and one thing that is going to like make me not be able to achieve that, hopefully I achieve that, is the light situation. Like in the current building I live in now, our light is bad. So there is light in like the area, but my building we don't have light. So ironing is a problem. So I'll find a way around that. But I really, really, really want to sew that clothes before today. So I need to like get to work now. I need to get to work now. So what I want to do is if I'm able to sew like all of my clothes this week, it's not bad. If I'm able to do that because I already edited the vlog that is going to be going on the channel tomorrow. Can you guys see I'm being productive? I already edited that vlog. I think I edited it on what's today? Today is Tuesday. I edited it on Sunday. Since Sunday, I was even contemplating uploading that video yesterday, but I'm like, oh, I want to like stick to uploading on Wednesday until I decide I decide to start doing two uploads a week. Then I'll figure out another day I drop videos. So yeah, I already have a video for tomorrow. I'm so happy. So yeah, that will be going live. So because I'll have to like go and upload tomorrow because I actually go somewhere to upload my videos because service providers in Nigeria, it will take hours and hours for one video to upload if I decide to use my personal network. So what I do is I go somewhere to use a Wi-Fi that is very very fast. So I don't know, is this thing zoomed in or what? Why do I look so big on this camera? Because I'm using my front camera or what? Okay, so enough of me yapping and yapping and yapping and yapping because I know I've been talking a lot. I don't know if you guys like that, but I'm still going to continue talking. Hmm. Hmm. To see you guys later with the updates when I successfully. Okay, I think this is what I would do when I successfully finish two clothes. Okay, no, let's do one at a time. So when I successfully finish one clothes, I'm going to update you guys. Then as I make progress along the other clothes, I'm going to update you guys. So that's what we're going to do. So you guys are going to hold me accountable. Yeah, okay. Bye. It's been a minute. Me that I was bragging this morning that I'm going to make five clothes today. I'm still on the first one. I'm waking. I'm still on the first one. You guys, you will not imagine. But though I'm almost done with the first one. I'm almost done. But I don't know if I'll still be able to show you guys if I'm done. I'll show you guys, yeah. Probably maybe tomorrow. Because once I'm done with this one, I want to start another one at least, even if I don't finish that one. And I've not had anything to eat since morning. I've not eaten anything since morning. Like I just started snacking on this. We only had two of these biscuits, and oh my, I got tired of it because I needed real food. So I got food from the place. This is actually the first time I'll be getting food from the place. So I hope this is nice. So let's check what's here. Okay. Okay. This is what it's looking like. I got fried rice with curry chicken. I wasn't expecting it to be this small because what I got was the belle full pack. But this one looking belle full at all. Smells nice. Smells nice actually. Smells really nice. And it's hot. Actually like that it's hot. Let me do a tasting on here. It's really nice. So hard. The rice is hard. But it's really sweet. It's not that sweet, but it's actually it's okay, but it's hard. Not bad. Let's taste the chicken. Not bad too. I actually like this, except for the fact that it's just kind of hard. So I'll give this a 8/10. Guys, I'm hungry. Please let me just eat off camera. See you when I see.
How recently with the American elections, I was reading about how as soon as it was obvious that Kamala is going to run for office, it was almost like it was a couple of texts or a couple of phone calls like, oh, this is what we hear is happening, and the women they were just like,
They
okay,
started moving.
we need money. It became and it's all these things of we make it very flowery. Just women just need to get together, and we just need to rally around each other. With what? With what? Like, I think that inability to be honest about the power that comes with being able to fund your ideas or to fund when you're reading about things like, we've recently found a link to like, particular things women do to their hair and fibroids. Who cares about that?
Women.
It's other women.
And so when you hear, there's not enough funding for this thing that's happening, I'm like, it doesn't affect them.
Yeah, of course.
They're not looking into it because
Femtech is so underfunded.
yeah, it's not their business
Femhelp,
because
sorry.
they're actually not looking into it. And so I remember having it was a random discussion. I don't even know why I was having it with a friend, but basically it was really somehow I was like, this is kind of embarrassing, but you're coming back from London and I need you to buy me something. And he was like, why didn't I just say it? I said, because I need you to buy me like Tampax Pearl and other certain things. He was like, why can't you just buy it in Lagos? I said, because a lot of the brands, the stuff they have here, I don't like it. Like, it's itchy, it's whatever. And he was like, I don't get it. Like, is there a difference? And so we got into this whole conversation and he was like, Oma, I've never thought about
Guys, this tailoring job is not easy. I said I was going to sew 5 dresses in a day, and we are currently on day 2, and I just finished sewing one. So I'm hoping I can sew another one today. I'm hoping because like I'll be going out soon. So I want to try to like finish up the touch up I want to do on this one. Then start sewing that one. That one is not really hard. Even this one is not hard. It's because I have to like do other things in between. It's not like as the styles are difficult or something. Because I have to like do other things in between. That's why it actually took time like that. So let's just get into that. I have to like make some amendments on this. But this is what we are looking like. Actually like this thing right here. So I have to like make some amendment. Like I have to like hold there and make this chest frame. I want it frame. And actually when I was done sewing this, I realized that I didn't like this cut because I actually made a mistake. Yeah, I made a mistake. I brought it down too much. supposed to like go under here like this. I brought it down so much. I'm going to leave it like that, honestly. And I actually didn't even like the whole curvy situation because I usually don't like having like my bust like shape over a dress. That's why I don't like corsets, honestly. But then that's what's in vogue. So one thing I would have done is to just make this straight without this whole curve situation. But I don't think I want to adjust that right now. So I just like the dress, the way it's simple, and then actually this is what made me make this time. This this whole thing, this whole drama that is happening here. Seriously, that's why I made this dress. And it has like a flare. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like you guys don't see this. So it has like you see this situation happening. See? Yeah, so that's actually what I like about this thing. How's this whole drama? I'm all for the drama.